Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Marg ERP Solutions. Today our tutorial on how to create shortcut buttons in Marg Software. So, let's start the video. So, what is shortcut button? Shortcut buttons are the buttons displayed on the right panel of the screen in Marg Software to make it easier for the users to access them without any need to go to different menus repeatedly for searching them. In Marg Software, there are 18 buttons by default and can be created as per the requirement. With the help of these shortcut buttons, the users can reach out for specific accounting options that they tend to use again and again. Now, let's see the process to creating shortcut button in Marg Software. Firstly, go to Masters option, then go to Marg Setup, and then click to Shortcut Buttons and press Enter button. A Shortcut Key Step 1 window will appear. The user will select the button from all these default 18 buttons which needs to be changed. Suppose the user needs to replace SR Expiry button with any other button. Click on SR Expiry button. A Shortcut Key Step 2 window will appear. Now the user will select the option from the menu bar which needs to be create as a shortcut button. Suppose the user needs to create Trial Balance button at the place of SR Expiry. Go to Final Reports and then click on Trial Balance. A Shortcut Key Step 3 window will appear. In Name, the user can mention the name of Trial Balance as per the requirement. Suppose keep the name of Trial Balance as it is. Press Enter key twice. The user can view the shortcut button will get replaced with Trial Balance. Click on Close and software will get auto close. Now, the user will restart the software. After the following the above steps, the user can create shortcut button in Marg Software. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.